Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you have just created your first or brand new Facebook group and now you want to add a post in your Facebook group, then this video is helpful for you because in this video I will show you how you can add a post in your Facebook group very easily. So guys, let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook application and then click on three lines on top right corner. After that, click on groups and then on the top menu click on your groups. After that, scroll down and here you can see your all groups will appear. Now click on the group in which you want to create a post. For example, I want to create a post in the first group, so click on it and then scroll down and here write something. You can click on it and here you can write anything. For example, I want to write hi SMS. So after that, click on post. So guys, you can see our first post on Facebook group has been created successfully. So guys, in this way you can add or create multiple posts on your Facebook group very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.